All right, guys, welcome back. We're going over a breaker block, which is also a order block, right? So a breaker block is pretty much a order block that was not respected. All right. So here's the order block right here, and price action was supposed to respect this. So it's supposed to come in and bounce. But when it doesn't do that and price breaks through, this becomes a breaker. Comes back, retest, drops. That's the breaker. Simple as that. There's an order block that was not respected. And the same thing vice versa. We have an order block. Okay, we got an order block right here. And let's say price was supposed to respect it and drop, but it breaks above, taps, and it goes. All right, that's a breaker. Simple as that. That's a breaker block. So we had the one down here. Which is this one. And then we have this one up here. All right, that's a breaker block. And the same rules apply to a breaker block. All right, you want to have liquidity above or below breaker. All right, liquidity must be built to make it a valid breaker. All right, same rules apply. But that's a breaker. Simple as that. That's it for now. On to the next one.